No job today.
To Queensborough.
I think we can have our barbecue. You got keys to the super or know where they are, right, Alex?
They're still scaling after that. And they probably stop somewhere to eat.
But they probably were there for a while.
How's your trip?
It was very good. It was wonderful. It was a very good river trip.
Thank you.
Is that heavy?
A little bit,
Yeah.
like 20 pounds about.
Okay. But after you've done all that work, it's heavy.
Yeah, very.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
The logs over here usually go in the far channel, and when they've got left out, there's more water gets pushed through, so almost all the water gets pushed through that far channel, and so this sort of area here as such has dropped, and there just is no water coming through the other two channels.
Well, thank you very much.
Yeah, oh, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
How you doing?
Good, Terry.
Too many lawnmowers these days.
Oh, he's got two shops full.
Has he really?
All these ones here, where was they? What's that?
There's about,
They just stopped in here. They've been up
there's about 60, I think, coming down, I think.
60 coming down that river there someplace.
They should be here anytime.
Yep.
Yeah.
So maybe I should go over there and get a picture. How you doing, fellas?
I learned very early on, just hold on. Black water will come.
How's everybody doing?
Really good.
The best part of paddling.
Best
Right here
part,
in
eh?
Queensborough.
Absolutely.
Yep.
If you go number 7,
Yeah.
towards the co-op, there's an area to the left. It's called Hill Avenue.
Yeah.
And if you go down that street, and it meets up with Seymour Street,
Yes, okay.
Okay.
Yep, yep.
and Bev is in a farmhouse there.
Okay. Yeah.
But she said her parents had the general store here. It was Alexander's. Hilda
Okay.
Alexander, her mother.
That
And her father had it in the beginning, and then Sagers took it over.
Savers took it over from that. Okay, I know I've heard that name. You know who would know is, well, some of the, like Betty Sexsmith and so on. But
Yeah.
But yes, I know I've heard that name.
But I
so-
can remember being here with Catherine Fleming
Oh,
one
yes.
time, and Bobby said after the start, "Well, come on to the house, and we'll have a little snack and some tea." Okay. Went to the house, and it was no snack. It was a bacon and tomato sandwich at 9 o'clock at night.
Oh,
you know.
that's good stuff.
Yeah.
That's good stuff.
But
So
that
you
was
knew Bobby. That's
that
great.
was Bobby.
Nice talking to you.
Nice to talk to you, Eileen. Yes. Well, I'm sure we'll see you again.
He's over there. Probably, yes.
All the many social functions there are around.
Oh, my.
We don't get any tragedies today.
Everybody's coming to get someone off the railroad.